squares out there looks uniform now, don't it?
Oh yeah. Look at this. Wire, wire, wire. Look at that. Hell yeah. You're right.
This one's going all the way.
Yeah, you're right. I thought there'd be extra.
The hard 50 feet.
Yeah. This is some wire rolling mofo right here. This dude don't play. I ain't bullshitting. Look at him down there go. Jamie Rainey, Rainey Concrete and Construction, in the house as he came in to save me. He's a little tweak younger than me. Not a big tweak, but a little tweak. Well, a big tweak, 7 years younger. It's a pretty good tweak. Look at him go.